get anybody incriminated.
No way.
So, hey, so I'm out here with Jim. Jim, you're
Yes,
just
sir.
about ready to spray texture these walls and the ceiling area. And is this all the amount of paper you're gonna put up on the ceiling and everything?
That's all you need. Yeah, that's all you need because
Wow.
when I get up there, it won't splatter on there. So
Oh, okay, that's cool. Because I thought you might have to go further than that.
no, I just run a 9-inch.
And I see you've got it all nicely taped around the door like that.
Yeah, a little shield.
Man, that's it against there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Gun over there.
Shutters.
Okay.
And then when I do the windows, you want to see that?
Yeah.
Basically, I got the.
Oh, you're gonna tape a window right now?
Yeah, we're gonna tape it up here. I got the 2-inch tape up there.
So you, oh, okay.
What I do is stick it to the tape,
Oh my God.
just like that. So you got it covered.
Done this before.
So you got 2-inch tape around the edges, and then basically all you do is stick the plastic.
Just on the back side.
So you got a process right on there,
Uh-huh.
and then I just cut it to fit the next window. Probably will take one.
Wait, oh, so you're gonna cut the bottom of that and then tape off the
Yeah,
bottom?
I'm gonna cut that with my trusty scissors.
Okay, so you
Baseboard.
use that 2-inch.
2-inch. And just cut it off. And I might have enough for the next window, which I probably do have enough for both windows.
You taped it off with 2-inch, let it stick over, and you're just pushing
Yeah.
the plastic up on the back side.
To stick it, exactly.
And here I thought it was harder than that.
No, you know you can get pre-taped plastic, but I figure this method is just as quick and it's less expensive.
Yeah.
And then I can probably get another window off of one sheet here, so I'm going to cut this.
Oh, you're gonna tape it and then cut it later?
I'm going to cut this off here to fit the other window. Just like this. And
Yeah, what?
this piece here, I'm just going to cut it right along the tape line. Right around the tape line like that. Well, I probably can use this for something else. So you got this piece, which stuck to the other tape, which is plastic stick. And then I have to tape this because I ran out of tape, so I got my tape out here to tape that one.
Oh, you got more tape with you?
Yeah, I think I got another roll.
Oh, okay.
So that's
Well, I'm gonna keep her rolling. I'm gonna watch you put this tape on.
That's the window.
You learning anything there, Bubby?
I'm just inspecting, that's all.
Mr. Inspector, he's been inspecting me, Jim, on all the stuff I've done so far.
Yeah,
He's your inspector, the inspector?
Yeah, yeah.
I write it up, I'm tired of writing.
Hey, that's not 2-inch.
I know, I thought I had a roll of 2-inch, but I guess I might have left it out here.
Hook it together.
Oh yeah, here it is.
Oh, cool. He's got some 2-inch.
Hook it together.
Here it is.
Hey, what would you have done if you didn't have 2-inch? It would be more difficult, wouldn't it?
A couple of 1-inch.
Oh, you put 1-inch and then tape another piece onto that so it sticks over the ledge.
Yeah, make do with what you got sometimes, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Actually, this is
That looks like 1.5 inches.
This is 1.5 inches, which will work. Is basically all you do is get it on the edge of the window, catch down the edge, and then I can use this, just overlap it like that, and do a little fold on it. So you've got what you have is a area where you can stick the plastic too, just like that. Just fold it back.
Okay, yeah. Fold it back a little bit.
Fold it back so you got an edge to stick.
Yeah,
You know what I mean?
yeah.
So and same thing for the exterior. You do the same thing, you know. It's
Dude, it looks like you've done this before.
I just do the exterior the same way, and catch the edge, and then fold it back, and then you're good to go. And then I grab that piece of plastic that I
Walked on.
what did I do with it? It's right here. Here it is. Is this the one I want to use? It's the one.
So no rhyme or reason, just if it fits, and you can cut off the
Yeah,
excess.
exactly.
Tape it on the
So
back side of that.
Yeah, you fold up the tape, fold it up so you got an edge to stick to. And then the plastic, because of the way it is, sticks to it really easy. So basically, that's it. Stick and go. Then we got this piece is kind of uncut. So the folding of the tape and the sticking to the backing of the tape, and you got a tape window very quickly. As long as you get it stuck to the back, which, you know, the 2/8 works a little better because you got more of an overlap.
Right, I see that.
Yeah.
You're showing why you shouldn't use 1 inch or inch and a half.
Yeah.
So you use the 2-inch, and usually you're
And
using.
you just come back and give it a quick
There we go.
deal here, so you know nothing's going to penetrate the plastic because
There you go.
you're secured in here. So that's basically the window taping for a quick and easy, inexpensive way
Yeah.
to tape it off.
Well, so the bottom. You're just gonna tape it like that because
Yeah,
you got
so it doesn't
this.
blow up when you're down
Blow up.
texturing, so it doesn't blow up.
Okay. So you don't even have to tape the bottom down to the bottom edge of the window.
No, because I taped it off with the blue to keep the windowsill clean. So basically, I just fold it back here, it's stuck here in a few places, just to get it kind of down here like that.
That was a good way to do the window stools. You had to do something with them.
Yeah.
I guess you might
I
as
could
well-
have run like 2 inch down the bottom here and then pulled the plastic all the way.
Right.
And then, that way you wouldn't need as much the blue, but
Oh, that's true.
just-
Tape off any excess.
Yeah,
There
it
it is.
tapes anything that might fly up with the air gun, because with the air gun, with the texture gun, you're shooting air, so when in doubt, if something's not taped off, it'll blow up.
Yeah. Now, it's all in the prep work. I keep trying to tell my viewers, it's in the prep work.
Yeah, the prep work is the,
You spend a little bit of extra time on the prep because that's what's going to give you a nice little job. Because it doesn't take very long to spray texture this, huh?
not at all, no, it'd be a
I
quick.
mean, the main thing is in how well you can mask everything off and get everything ready.
Exactly.
I see you got plastic down here on the floor. Good man.
Yeah, I got a little plastic down here when I'm walking around. I don't want to have anything.
You'll plastic off everything here.
Yeah, it's a quick and easy method.
And I see you even got this ready here. And you know what? I gotta throw something up there real quick. Up at the top there and over here, because I didn't think you were gonna be spraying today.
Yeah, well, neither did I. But things happen quickly when you're in this business.
What have you been
That's
working
true.
at, Jim?
I should have planned on that.
All over.
He's got to go to the store and get some
Apartment.
texture mud. So then I'll be able to skim this out really quick with some quick set, and then I'll put some all-purpose joint compound over that. It'll be all ready for him. Won't take me very long to do that.
Yeah.
Out in Lincoln Hills, they're doing that all the time.
Yeah.
Repaints.
Uh huh.
So
Yeah.